Hey everybody, glad to see everybody. My name is Charlie LaRich. I am a welding instructor at the Lincoln Electric Welding School at the WTTC, our Welding Technology and Training Center here in Cleveland, Ohio. And we're about to go over this new 2450 Advance new welding helmet we have. One of the great things I love about this is the new digital user interface that's inside here. So what's nice about this new digital user interface is I could push the button here and it's lighting up in green LED lights right here. So I got my weld mode. I could set my delay as to how fast I wanted to lighten up after I'm done welding. I have my sensitivity, which is how sensitive to the ambient light do I want it before it darkens up. So if I'm on some really bright material, real shiny, it's gonna reflect. If I have a high sensitivity, my helmet's gonna darken up on me. If I have it set low, medium, that's where I like it, it's going to not darken up, and I can work with my hands while my hood's down instead of picking it up and down all the time. And I got my shade lens here as well. And you can see the difference between the colors. It goes from orange for delay and sensitivity to green. The LED lights up. And I can go through here now and pick my shade just by pushing this button here. And it goes to a 9 to 13 shade just by pushing the button. I click here and I can change that, and you can see the green LEDs light up. When I'm in cut mode, I could go through here again, depending how bright of a light I have to look at, and it goes from a 5 all the way up to an 8 lens on there. And again, my sensitivity goes orange, and my delay time for that as well. Then I have a grind mode. You can see it lit up here for grind. Now this does not darken up. So that's going to keep it at a 3.5 shade. So it's not going to darken, so you can see clearly and grind and use your grinding wheels or wire wheels safely while you're doing that. And the nice thing about this too, there's a test mode, which I don't know how well you're going to see this on camera, but to test the battery, I could push that test mode and I can see it darken up. Tell me my battery is working correctly, and it's going to darken up when I start welding. So that's our 2450 Advance helmet. Any more questions about this helmet, you can find it at lincolnelectric.com.